Imagine a future where millions of jobs are replaced by robots and AI. People everywhere worry, will my job survive the AI revolution? But experts say the truth is more nuanced. While many roles will disappear, 5 core jobs will remain indispensable in 2030 and beyond. This video unlocks the future of work and reveals what skills will keep you relevant. Welcome to VibeVerse, the place where science, technology, and the future collide. Artificial intelligence is reshaping every industry at warp speed. It's predicted that over 300 million jobs worldwide could be replaced by AI by 2030. Panic or preparation? The answer lies in understanding the jobs AI can't easily take over because they depend on uniquely human qualities. Today, we'll explore the 5 jobs AI experts agree will survive and how you can prepare yourself for the future workforce. Fact 1. Creative innovators, artists, writers, directors. AI can generate art and music, but it lacks true creativity, that spark that connects emotion, culture, and original thought. Human creators tell stories from lived experience, challenge norms, and innovate. From filmmakers to novelists to game designers, these creatives build worlds AI can't yet conceive. They also collaborate with AI tools to enhance, but not replace their distinct vision. Fact 2. Ethical AI and policy makers. AI penetrates aspects of privacy, surveillance, and fairness. Human judgment becomes crucial. AI systems can embed biases or cause unexpected harm without ethical oversight. AI ethicists, policy experts, and legal scholars will be gatekeepers, defining regulations, auditing algorithms, and ensuring AI respects human rights and social norms. Their work is foundational to a responsible, AI-driven world. Fact 3. Healthcare and human care providers. While AI improves diagnostics and robotic assistance, the compassion, empathy, and hands-on care from healthcare workers remain irreplaceable. Nurses, doctors, mental health therapists, and social workers provide emotional support, understanding, and nuanced care, especially essential for vulnerable and complex patients. Their human connection is vital for healing. Fact 4. AI system trainers and supervisors. AI systems aren't autonomous, they need human supervision to function safely. Trainers teach AI, correcting errors and biases, refining system responses. Supervisors monitor AI-powered machines and algorithms to ensure output stays ethical and accurate. This hybrid role blends technicians, programmers, and domain experts, forming a new frontline in AI-human collaboration. Fact 5. Strategic leaders and negotiators. Leadership means solving ambiguous, multifaceted problems. AI can crunch data, but cannot replace intuition, ethics, politics, or moral judgment. CEOs, entrepreneurs, diplomats, and high-stakes negotiators will thrive by blending data insight with human wisdom and emotional intelligence. They steer organizations through volatile, complex futures. Deep dive. Why these jobs AI excels at pattern recognition, routine analysis, and automation, but struggles with ambiguity, creativity, and genuine human empathy. The jobs that survive rely on abstract thinking, emotional nuance, ethics, and social complexity. They are resistant because they involve unpredictable human factors and values machines cannot replicate. What you can do to prepare focus on developing creativity, empathy, ethics, and leadership skills. Learn to collaborate with AI as a tool, mastering both technical literacy and soft skills. Continuous upskilling, emotional intelligence, and adaptability will keep you relevant in any industry. Conclusion. The AI revolution is not about job loss alone, it's transformation and opportunity. The 5 jobs that will last are those most deeply human. Preparing now means blending technology with timeless skills. Thanks for watching VibeVerse, your guide to the technology shaping tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future. Adapt and thrive. Your future depends on it.